Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert column chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to insert column chart in this document. Firstly go to the insert menu. Then select the chart option. Then we can see here mini chart. We select the column chart and applying any format like clustered chart or stack chart another. Now I select the first chart, then click OK. Now we can see here we insert a column chart, and now we can edit this chart. Click the sheet option, then change the number or category. Now I select the category 1 and write another thing. Now we can see here we change the name of the chart area. Otherwise you can change the legend. Click the series 1 and write another text. Then we can see here we change the legend text. You can change the chart title. Click the chart title and select the text and change the text. Otherwise you can change the series point. Then close the window, and we can see here we insert a column chart in this document very easily, and we edit this chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.